Hello friends, hope you all are good. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.1 arithmetic progression question number second. Before going to the question, first we'll discuss what we discussed in the last class. Let's see. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression क्या होता है? The sequence of numbers a1, a2, a3, a4 like that and so on are in arithmetic progression if a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 means the difference between the consecutive terms. The difference of a term and the previous term is always same. Then we can say that the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay. So what are the things we discussed in last class? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A like that they are in arithmetic progression. If A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 means the difference between the consecutive term is same. So A1 is called here first term and D is called common difference. Okay. So then we can say the arithmetic progression also we can say that AP is also arithmetic progression. Now let's see some examples. 9, 12, 15, 18 are in AP. So what is the first term here? 9, the given A1 9. And what is the common difference? 12 minus 9, 15 minus 18, 18 minus 15 is same. So we can say that this is an arithmetic progression, that is 3. So here first term is 9, A1 or common difference is D equals to 3. Let's see the second example. Root 2, 3 root 2, 5 root 2, 7 root 2 are in AP. So what is the first term here? It's given root 2. Or how can we find out the common difference? A2 minus A1 means second term minus first term, third term minus second term is what we getting here? 2 root 2. So we can say that here first term is root 2 and the common difference is 2 root 2. Okay. So for AP here how can you find out the formulas is given? A1 is the first term, A1, A2, A3, A4 are the given in arithmetic progression. So A1 is the first term and D is the common difference. So how can you find out the second term? If first term is A1, so we can add a number D, that is called difference, common difference. We can add a previous term number, then common difference. Then after we can get second term. So A2 equals to what? First term plus common difference. Here you can see this is the first term plus common difference. Then how can you get this A3? How can you get this third term? Second term plus D, or we can say that first term plus 2D. Here also A4 how can you get? How you get? A1 plus 3D. A5 how you will get? A1 plus 4D. So what you can observe there? Whatever the n is given here, this one is less than, one is less here. So how can we say that? How can we say that general term of an AP? For an AP with A1 is the first term and D the common, the general term is AN equals to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. For example, here you can see if I need to find out A10. A10 means what you can get? A1 plus 10 minus 1D, or we can say that 10 minus 1 means 9D. Okay, so like that you can get. Okay, this is the things. Here some example is there, you can see the example. 13, 8, 3 minus 1 in AP. So 8 minus 13, how much common difference you got? Minus 5. First term 13. If you need to find out the 10th term, so A1 plus 9D. Okay, so first term is 13. 9 into 5 how much? 9 into minus 5 minus 45. So A10 you can get minus 32. Okay, let's see the question number second. What is the question number second? Exercise 5.2, question number second. Write first 4 term of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follow. Okay, the second question is, okay, what is the first question is given? A equals to 10 and D equals to also 10. So let's see what is the reasoning. What we know that the general form of arithmetic progression is A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, A plus 4D like that. So where A is the first term and D is the common difference. What is known here? A first term is given 10 and common difference is given 10, or unknown first 4 term. So like that step you can write. Then solution, you can first term A, the second term what? A plus D. So 10 plus 10, D we also know that 10 plus 10, 20. Third term what? A plus 2D. So A is 10, 2 into D, D is 10. So 2 into 10, 20. 10 plus 20, 30. Third term, what is fourth term? A plus 3D. So A is 10 plus 3 into 10, how much? 30. So 10 plus 30, how much? 40. I hope you got. So answer is the first four term of AP is are 10, 20, 30 and 40. I hope you understood. Then second question क्या है? Second question में known है A equals to first term is given -2 और D is given 0. So let's see unknown, what is the first four term? We need to find out. So let's see the answer. First term में A equals to -2. So second term what? A plus D. So -2 plus 0, how much? -2. Third term what? A plus 2D. -2 plus 0, how much? -2. Fourth term what? A plus 3D. So -2 plus 3 into 0, 0. So -2 into -2. So what are the first four terms are? -2, -2, -2 and -2. I hope you understood. Let's see the third question. Known A first term is given 4 and D is given -3. So what is the unknown, what first four term? The first term is A equals to 4. The second term A plus D. So 4 plus -3. You have to put this bracket. So many one did the mistake here. You bracket, you must take care. So 4 minus 3, how much? 4 minus 3 will become -1. The third term what? A plus 2D. So 4 plus 2 minus 3, how much? -6. 4 minus 6 -2. What is the fourth term? A plus 3D. 4 minus 9. So equals to -5. Okay. So you can say that answer is the first four terms of AP are 4, -1, -2, -5. Okay. The fourth question you can see. A equals to -1 is given or D equals to given -1/2. So what is the known? A and D is given, first term and common difference is given. So we need to find out the first four term of AP. Then what is the solution? First term is A equals to, first term is A, so A equals to -1 is given. Second term A plus D, so -1 plus -1/2, so -3/2. Third term A plus 2D, -1 plus 2 into -1/2, so -2/2, -1. So -1 into -1, -1 plus -1, -2. Fourth term what? A plus 3D. -1 plus 3 into D equals to what? -1/2. So you can get -1 -3/2. So that is -5/2. So what are the first four terms? -1 -3/2 -2 -5/2. Like that you can get the fourth answer. I hope you understood. Let's see the next one, fifth one. What is the known? A equals to -1.25 and common difference D is given -0.25. So how can we get the first term? First unknown is given, first four term we need to find out. First term is given A equals to -1/1.25, D equals to given -0.25. The first term we know that A equals to, first term is A, so -1.25. Second term what? A plus D. So -1.25 -2.05. So how much? -1.50. Third term what? Second term plus D. Yes or not? So -1.50 plus -0.25. So we can get -1.75. Fourth term what? Third term plus D, or we can say that A plus 3D. So what we can get here? -1.75 -0.25, so -2.0. So therefore the first four terms are -1.25, -1.5, -1.75, -2.00. Like that you can get. Thank you so